Hey guys, welcome back to At Home with Lady Cinnamon. Today I will be showing you 3 fun decorated Easter eggs, perfect for spring, and they would be great on a mantle or a console table or tabletop, and we're going to get started. So first I have these candle holders. I'm going to be painting these out in white and then going back and distressing them for my egg decor. And we're going to be starting with some decoupage, which I love. So guys, I actually removed the ribbon off of these. I got these from Hobby Lobby. You can get them on sale. And guys, they are the perfect size for doing these types of projects. I printed out the cutest little Easter bunny. I love the colors with the green in the back. And I'm just going to sort of cut it into like a sort of semicircle, oval circle rather. And I'm going to add some decoupage to the back of it, and I will be adding also some of that to the egg and then adding it on. It's very close in color to the egg, but sort of different. I wanted to have sort of a whimsical look, so I'm going to be going in with some really pretty ribbon. Don't worry about those wrinkles that you see there. I actually want those. That's why I didn't cut the paper. And I'm going to let that dry. Once it's dry, I will be showing you how I distressed that candle holder once it was dry. I just dry brushed it with a little bit of darker paint. You can do that, that's an option if not, and you can see how beautiful the decoupage looks with the egg. It actually gives the egg a nice finished look. And here I have the cutest ribbon from the Dollar Tree. I love those pastel spring colors with that gingham sort of check, and it's perfect. And all I'm going to be doing is hot gluing this to my egg and sort of framing it out where you see the picture of the little bunny with her Easter bonnet on. I think she is so adorable, and I'm just going to be repeating that process so that way even if you see the back of the egg, it will still be decorated and so pretty and just really making it look very finished, and that's what I'm going for. Now I'm going to pull out my holder and I'm going to be adding in just a little bit of greenery and bringing out the colors in that picture of the little Easter bunny with that green background. Just adding this in will definitely give this a finished look, and I absolutely love the way this one turned out. So guys, I'm going to be going in with a little bit of flowers, something light, not too much, just a little bit will be perfect as a base for my egg. And then I'm going to go back and I will be adding on a bow in the same gingham check that you saw. And I'm also going to be adding back the ribbon that I pulled off, and you see it's a perfect match. And just to put my egg in place, I added a generous amount of the hot glue, and it's staying perfectly, adding a dab for my bow. And guys, this turned out so whimsical, so adorable. I absolutely love the way this looks. It has this sort of whimsical vintage feel to it, and I think it's just so adorable. My next one, I'm using this egg. I am not going to touch it. I like that pastel pink hue. I also printed out some more bunnies. This one is sitting down, it's cute, but this one looks a little bit more stately, so I will be using him. The coloring with the way these bunnies look, I absolutely love. And I just printed these off of my computer, guys, free printables. And as you can see, it sort of matches. I like the color. I like that sort of pastel look. I'm going to be doing the same process with putting or adding decoupage to my egg, and then going ahead and getting Mr. Bunny all decoupage down, and I'm going to let him dry down. I gave this 2 coats also. I don't think you need more than that. I've also gone back and distressed my candle holder that I will be using for a base for this also. But I'm going in with a pastel pink ribbon this time. It is so gorgeous. It's a plush velvet ribbon. It's very pretty. It has that pink pastel hue, but it's slightly different and it gives it a slight contrast, but it's sort of very much the same with the same tone. I think it's perfect for this speckled egg and the tone and color of Mr. Bunny. I think it is adorable. I'm going to say do just the same process as before, adding it on with hot glue and framing it out, and then going around the rest of the egg with that same beautiful plush velvet ribbon. I think it's so pretty in those pastel pink hues. Now, to give this the same look that I had previously, if you wanted to use these as a pair, with decor, I'm adding in some greenery. I will just be adding in a bit more. I wanted this one to be a little bit more larger. That's why I'm using a different height for the candle holder, so that way they'll have different heights. It's always fun when you're decorating with vignettes and such. And I love the florals that I'm adding, just a little bit more flowers, little buds of roses, and just a little bit more greenery and flowers, and it is just going to make it even more whimsical and more pretty and just adorable with this bunny. Now, you can go in with any egg of your choice. I just wanted this look, but you can do this with any look, not even decoupage, but just paint it, or maybe just go in with ribbon and it would be just as adorable. So guys, now I'm going to be adding my egg on with a generous amount of hot glue again, and now I'm going to be adding back in my bow. I'm using the same plush velvet ribbon. It's so beautiful, and that pink velvet, it's so pretty, and I think this one turned out so delicate and just elegant in Easter decor that I'm in love with it, and I think it's so pretty. I hope you guys like this one also. So for my last one, I am going to be painting my egg this time, and it's the same exact egg. Like I said, I'm going to be pulling off the ribbon again, and for this one I decided to mix the pink with a little bit of gold to give the egg a little bit of texture and shimmer. I'm going to be sticking a skewer in it, so that way when it dries down I don't have to worry about getting the paint on it or anything, and it will dry down very evenly. And now guys, it looks so cute. You can see a little bit of that shimmer gold paint coming through, and now that it's dry you can see how beautiful it is. And I'm going in with this one and doing something a little bit different for more of a bejeweled egg, something that it won't be time consuming. I have some of this, I think it's called glitter sort of tape or whatever have you. I got this a while ago, and it's in a pink color, but not the exact same pink as the painted egg. And you can get this trim in any craft store, Walmart, they sell it everywhere. And I'm just going to be clipping it in place and adding a little bit more hot glue, and I will be doing the same exact pattern where I go lengthwise, but this time I will be going in a horizontal pattern and adding in one more row, and you'll see how I do that. But when you're doing this, make sure that you have it exactly where you want it to go, because it's painted. If you were to pull it back up, it will pull off the paint, so make sure that you definitely have this where you want it to lay on your egg. Now, the way I distress this particular candle holder that I'm using for a base is I basically just dry brushed it with a little bit of gold paint that had a shimmer to it, and it looks absolutely fabulous. And for this piece, like I said, I'm just going in just a horizontal pattern. I'm only going to do one row of this just to give it that sort of glam look, if you will. So it's a little bit of something for everyone for these eggs, and I'm just going to finish that. Once I have all of these repeated, we're going to come back and we're going to add it to our base or candle holder just by applying a little bit of hot glue. And I'm going to go back in with the pink ribbon and add that on for a nice finished look. Guys, did this not come out so adorable? This is perfect for adding to your tabletop or for a centerpiece. Again, it's a little bit of a glam look, but who doesn't like a jeweled egg? I absolutely love them. I don't even know if I have a favorite because they're all so cute and so whimsical and so fun. I hope you like them too. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up because it helps my channel out so much and allows others to find my channel. And also, if you're going to be subscribing, please hit the bell twice so you'll know whenever I upload a new video. I'll be coming back with some more of these spring and Easter decor videos and DIYs, so I hope that you come back and join me. In the meantime, it's been a pleasure. Hope to see you in the next video, and thank you all for watching.